So we were discussing what is the format of, what will be the format of examination this time. So our format will be, there will be 2 questions. Okay, the exam will carry 10 marks only. A paper will carry 10 marks only, and there will be 2 questions. Question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1, in question number 1, there will be 2 questions. And both will carry 2 marks each. Question number 2 will also have 2 questions, and both will carry 3 marks. So altogether it will be how many marks? 10. 10 marks हो जाएगा ना? तो 10 मार्क्स के ही क्वेश्चन आने हैं. ओके, और इस बार पहले जैसे तुम लोगों का था कि एमसीक्यू होते थे, नहीं सॉरी एमसीक्यू नहीं होते थे, 1 वर्ड क्वेश्चंस होते थे ना, 1 वर्ड और 1 सेंटेंस क्वेश्चंस होते थे, जो कि हम लोग 2 मतलब 2 नंबर ईच होता था, 5 क्वेश्चंस, और 5 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चंस होते थे. ये पैटर्न चेंज हो चुका है. नेक्स्ट पैटर्न क्या है? नेक्स्ट पैटर्न हम लोगों का यही है कि 2 क्वेश्चंस होंगे और दोनों क्वेश्चन में 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में 2 क्वेश्चन, एंड बोथ ऑफ द क्वेश्चन विल कैरी 2 मार्क्स. Question number 2 will have 2 questions and both will carry 3 marks. Altogether it will be 6 marks. Okay? No, sorry, 10 marks. Question number 2, 6 marks. Question number 1, 4 marks. So altogether it will be.
मैम शॉर्ट आंसर्स और लॉन्ग आंसर्स रहेगा सिर्फ.
यस यस, 2 शॉर्ट आंसर. आप बहुत लॉन्ग भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हाँ 3 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन तो थोड़े लॉन्ग ही हो जाते हैं ना. 2 शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस हो जाएंगे और 2 लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस होंगे. क्लियर? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ग्रैनीज ट्री क्लाइंबिंग.
मैम हॉर्स, लाइफ स्किल, वैल्यू द राइटिंग स्किल्स, ये सब भी आ सकता है.
जब 3 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन होंगे तो 3 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन में आ सकता है, ये सब भी आ सकता है. ओके, देखो, who wrote the poem Granny's Tree Climbing?
Ruskin Bond.
This question is not very important. Why it is not very important? Because if the question will come for 1 marks only. ये तो 1 मार्क्स के ही क्वेश्चन होंगे ना, तो 1 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन तो अभी means it will not be coming in this Sunday's online test. Okay.
मैम बट इसमें एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन बनाकर तो दिया जा सकता है ना, इसमें 2 और 1 क्वेश्चन ऐड करके.
नहीं, 1 क्वेश्चन ऐड नहीं होगा. हाँ, 2 क्वेश्चन 1 क्वेश्चन और इसमें ऐड कर दिया जा सकता है, तो फिर वो आ सकता है. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. नाउ which of the following tasks do you associate with your grandmother? We are doing pre-reading tasks. Okay. Students are late and I am supposed to admit them every time, and this breaks the okay, clear? Which of the following tasks do you associate with your grandmother? Cooking, knitting, sewing, preparing pickles, climbing trees. Generally, cooking, knitting, sewing, preparing pickles, these are common things, isn't it? But climbing tree is not common. Have you ever climbed a tree? Did you find the task easy and enjoyable or difficult? Discuss with your friends. Some risks involved in climbing trees also. Okay. If you know to climb tree, you must be enjoying it. Okay, जिसको climbing tree climbing आती है वो तो इसको enjoy करते हैं ना. but risk involves there. Risk तो होता है. If you miss your balance, you will fall down. This risk always involves. Next, do you know what a treetop house is? Discuss with your friends how different living in a treetop house would be from living in an ordinary house. We have already discussed that living in a treetop house, you might face so many problems if you are living in a treetop house. As you may, if suppose that
Ma'am, it is in life skills.
it is a life skill also we have done. So now I am going to start the poem. My grandmother was a genius. You would like to know why? Because she could climb trees, spreading or high. It must be clear to all the students. Now I am going to be very strict. If you will join late, I will not admit. My grandmother was a genius. You would like to know why? Because she could climb trees, spreading or high. She would be up their branches in a trice. And mind you, when last she climbed a tree, she was 62. Ever since childhood, she had this gift for being happier in a tree than in a lift. And though, as years went by, she would be told that climbing trees should stop and one grew old. Means the poet calls his grandmother a genius. Background noise is coming. Okay. Go to the place. Okay, I'm going to mute everyone. Should I mute everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I have allowed you people to unmute yourself if it is required. But you will not unmute yourself unless and until I say you to unmute. Clear? Next. So the poet calls his grandmother a genius. Why he calls his grandmother a genius? Because she had got a very unique quality. And what was her quality? It was the quality of climbing. She knew the art of climbing tree. She could climb any tree. Either it's very broad or it's very long. She didn't feel any difficulty. And she would be climbing trees very easily, very easily. When she last climbed the tree, she was 62. At the age of 62, she had climbed tree. Generally, when we grow, even in middle age, we avoid such type of things. You might have seen your mother. If such type of thing is required, your mother either will be calling you or someone else. But why? Because they feel that after certain age, we should not do risky work. So she was also, she climbed her trees when she was 62. Ever since childhood, she had this gift. Here, don't confuse that it is written she would. No, she had this gift. One hand is helping verb, another hand had been used as main verb. That I have explained when I explained the verbs. If it is required, I will be explaining again, but not right now. Just remember it. She had this gift for being happier in a tree than in a lift. She enjoyed climbing trees a lot. She didn't like to use lift. She liked climbing tree. And family members, they were very much serious. They were very much anxious about her habit because they were afraid she might have a terrible fall. And what they used to say her? They used to say her that one should stop climbing trees when one grew old. And that growing old should be gone about gracefully. And growing old should be gone about gracefully. Means we should live gracefully. We should not do such type of things that involve risk when we grow old, because it becomes very difficult for the body to repair. In children, in middle-aged people, repairing process is very fast. But body repairs itself. But as we grow old, it becomes slow, very slow. That's why family members, they were afraid and they suggested her not to climb tree. She would laugh and say, well, I will grow old disgracefully. I can do it better. And we had to agree. But she didn't listen to her family members. She had one simple answer, and her answer was that I don't have any problem in climbing tree, then why should I stop? If you people think that I should I am growing old disgracefully, okay, I will grow. Doesn't matter, but I would not stop climbing trees. And family members had to agree. Why they had to agree? Because there was not even a single tree in the garden she had not climbed. And she climbed them without any difficulty. She had been up at one time or another, having learned to climb from a loving brother. Now again a very important point. Who taught her the art of climbing tree? Her brother. And when at the age of 6, her brother taught her the art of climbing tree when she was 6 years old only. But it was feared by all that one day she would have a terrible fall. Family members were very much scared that she might have a terrible fall. Okay, the phone was coming, so I dismissed the call. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Someone told me, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are not. Yes, ma'am, you are not clearly audible to me. Ma'am, you are not clearly audible to me.
I am not audible to you. Am I now?
Yes, ma'am, not clearly.
Actually, by that time, I started looking at the mobile. Phone was coming all the time. Phone comes. So that's why I might not be audible to you. Now I am? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what was I telling? That every family members were very much scared that she might have a terrible fall one day. The outcome was different. While we were in town, she climbed a tree and couldn't come down. Outcome was different. What was the fear of everyone? Everyone feared that she would have a terrible fall. But this didn't happen. What happened? She climbed a tree. Family members were not at home. They had gone to town. And she climbed a tree. She climbed the tree without any problem, but she was unable to come down. वो पेड़ पे तो अच्छे से चढ़ गई विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम, बट वो नीचे नहीं आ पा रही थी. दिस वाज द प्रॉब्लम. And this was different. Outcome was different. So what was the outcome? Outcome was she climbed a tree successfully, but she was unable to come down. And family members didn't think of that. They were afraid that one day she would have a terrible fall. Clear? We went to rescue, and then the doctor took Granny's temperature and said, I strongly recommend a quiet week in bed. We sat with it. Well, poor Granny, for her, it was like a brief season in hell. So, family doctor was called. She was rescued. Doctor was called. Doctor took Granny's temperature and suggested her 1 week bed rest. Family members shied in relief. Why the family members shied in relief? 2 reasons were there. One reason, she was rescued safely. She was rescued. Rescued itself means
Ma'am, she was rescued from the tree.
She was rescued from the race. And in other words, that she won't be climbing tree for 1 week. This was
Yes,
another
ma'am.
reason.
Which give relief to her family members.
She at least because doctor has recommended 1 week bed rest. So
Yes,
at least they thought the main reason was that she was rescued, and another that the doctor has recommended 1 week. So they were thinking that now she won't be climbing trees at least for 1 week, or this may be a lesson for her. That when they were telling not to climb tree, she was not listening. But now she put herself in, she found herself in problem in coming down. So she might take a lesson from that incident, and she might not climb tree. So this this may be the reason of, this might be the reason of their relief. Poor Granny, for her, it was like a brief season in hell. But Granny, for her, it was like a brief season in hell. What is the meaning of hell? It's a very common word.
Nark, ma'am. Ma'am, nark.
जैसे बोलते हैं ना नरक, नरक, that is. So she didn't like. Means we call the place hell, where we don't feel comfortable. If the place is not worth living, so it was for her. It was like a brief season in hell, confined to her bedroom, while every breeze whispered of summer and dancing leaves. She had to confine. In her bedroom, she could not enjoy the summer weather, summer breeze. She wanted to enjoy, but she could not. But she held her peace till she felt stronger. She didn't wait for 7 days. She waited till she was weak. As soon as she felt a little bit strength, she did something. What she did? She then sat up and said, I will lie here no longer. So, to whom she said, higher. She called for my father and told him undaunted that a house in a treetop was what she now wanted. Okay, what she wanted now? She wanted a treetop house.
Treetop.
Yeah, treetop house means house on a tree. It is, a picture is given at the page,
Yes, ma'am.
at the page number 10. One tree is there and one house is there and ladder is there. And
Yes, ma'am.
climbing the ladder. My dad knew his duties. He said, "That's all right. You will have what you want, dear. You will have what you."
मैम इंग्लिश टेस्ट का क्वेश्चन क्या है?
What? Someone asked me something. What?
मैम पोर्शन.
Portion for the sentence exam. It is chapter 1 and 2 of English literature. Granny's tree climbing
Thank you, ma'am.
and the fun they had. Clear?
What fun they had is chapter 3.
That is chapter 3. We had done question answer also. Everything is done.
Yes, ma'am.
So just for revision, I have started the chapter once again because we had completed the chapter, I think, in the month of April only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and we are not in hurry of any syllabus coverage. We are not in hurry. So I have decided to, today I have started chapter 2 and tomorrow I will be, day after tomorrow, we will be doing chapter 3.
Ma'am,
So, yeah.
in this poem, which season is going on?
Excuse me? Speak once
Summer
again.
season.
Summer है ma'am.
Okay, any problem is there? After the class, you can ask me. Okay?
Okay.
क्लास खत्म हो जाएगा या इवनिंग में कॉल करके पूछ लेना. I will be sending you all the question answer once again. I will be sending it.
Which chapter?
I don't know your number.
This question I will not be sending. Question answer I will not be sending through WhatsApp. I will be sending link of this class. I will be sending on WhatsApp, sending through WhatsApp, and question answer, it will be class update. Clear? You must visit that also. My dad knew his duties. He said that is all right. You will have what you want, dear. I will start work tonight. So, narrator's father said that, okay, I would start work tonight and you will get what you want. With my sport assistance, he soon finished the code. So, once again, someone to add. With the help of narrator's father made a treetop house for Granny. And the house had windows and door also. Granny moved.
Ma'am, Ruskin Bond का ma'am India.
Ruskin Bond is
Ma'am,
India.
Ruskin Bond.
He is Indian poet. Don't get confused.
Ma'am, लेकिन मैम इनका मैम जन्म यहाँ हुआ होगा. मैम कहीं और जाके पोएम लिखते होंगे, वैसा है. मैम जैसे कि इनका जन्म.
He lived in Dehradun.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why. Okay, we should continue. Otherwise, the time will be over and we will miss. I think only 10 minutes are left. So,
yes,
Granny moved up.
Ma'am,
and
about
now every day, I climb to her room with glasses and a tray. So, Granny went to the house, treetop house, and narrator used to go. what he used to carry. Don't get confused. He used to carry glasses and a tray. See, she sits there in a stack and drinks sherry with me. So what is sherry? Sherry is a type of wine. It is not mentioned who used to take sherry. It is only what, if the question comes, what did the narrator take to her room? So your answer will be glasses and a tray. Upholding her right to reside in a tree. She sits there in a state and drinks sherry with me, upholding her right to reside in a tree. What is the meaning of in a state? In a state means in a grand style. So, Granny lived in the treetop house in a very grand style, and she used to drink sherry with the narrator. And now,
छोटा सा राज्य है।
what happened?
मैम ऐसे रहती थी कि जैसा उनका एक छोटा सा वो राज्य है।
या हाँ, जैसे मतलब ये तो you can say that. जैसे वो
मैम एग्जाम में अबाउट द ऑथर से भी आएगा।
Sometimes I could not listen to your voice.
मैम एग्जाम में अबाउट द ऑथर से भी आएगा।
No. Generally, it doesn't come.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
ma'am, in question number 1 would be there a fill in the blanks MCQ.
There will be no MCQ. I have already discussed the pattern of the examination. Okay, the one who has started late, joined the class late. Once again, I am explaining. This time, format of question paper is changed. And there will be 2 questions. Question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 will carry 2 marks each. Means 2 question होंगे 2 marks के. तो question number 1 will be of 4 marks. In the same way, question number 2 will carry will have 2 questions, and both questions will carry 3 marks each. So question number 1 worth 4 marks. Question number 2 worth 6 marks. Altogether it will be 10 marks. Clear?
टोटल 10 marks आएंगे।
Pattern clear हो गया?
Yes,
There will be no MCQ, no one word. 2 marks question means you are supposed to write within 20 to 30 words. 2 marks question तो 30 words से कम होने ही नहीं चाहिए. And 3 marks question, it should be about 50 words. ये भी नहीं है कि आप 3 marks का question है तो 2 पेज में लिख देंगे. But you should, I will be once again sending how to upload your copies. Generally तुम लोग कभी वैसे बना दे तो इसका ये सही. I will show. Once earlier also I had shown you, and once again I will show. Now we are going to discuss understanding the poem. At what age did Granny learn climbing trees?
I'm 6.
6 years।
The age of 6.
6।
Yes. Question number 2. Who taught her the art of climbing trees?
Her brother।
Her brother.
Yeah, her brother taught her the art of climbing trees. How old was she when she last climbed a tree?
62.
Yeah, she was 62.
Yes.
She was 62 when last she climbed a tree. In which season did she get trapped in a tree? In which season?
Summer.
It was summer season.
Summer.
It was summer season. In which, for how long was she advised to take rest after being rescued?
For 1 week.
1 week.
1 week.
It was 1 week. who made a tree top house for her